Danika in the Incredible World of Books. Yeah. What's this say? One afternoon, Danika decided to read the best book in the house. Hey friends, let's go to the tree house. I want to tell you a story. Moo Mookie started to draw while Danika told them the story. And suddenly, our group of friends ended up inside the book. While crossing a green forest, they heard someone talking. Where's this voice coming from? Or is it just a dream? The voice belonged to a little girl who was talking to herself. I really hope Grandma likes the treats I'm bringing over to her house. She was wearing a red hood and carrying a small bat. That's Little Red Riding Hood, shouted Moo Mookie. Zedford said, be careful with the big bad wolf then, or else he'll devour us. Danika saw a small house surrounded by all those tall trees. Let's go to that house. Someone might be able to help us. There were little pigs coming out from the house. 1, 2, 3. And they were all pink. Don't worry, my friends, we'll help you, said the tallest pig. We've built a house made of bricks. It's very strong. The medium-sized little pig added, the big bad wolf huffed and puffed, but he couldn't blow it down. And now he's left us alone for good. That's what I call a happy ending, and meeting you was the best part of our adventure. The shortest little pig replied, you'll always be welcome here in the world of literature.
Playkids Explorer is here. Experience a new adventure every month where your child takes the lead. To begin, point the camera at a magic card. Gutenberg's printing press. Printing presses are machines that copy books. In a printing press, ink is pressed against a piece of paper to print words. Parchment. Parchment Typewriter. Typewriters are used to write on paper. We can create books and stories with typewriters. Typewriters were replaced by computers. Quill pen. Quill pens were used to write with ink. Quill pens were usually made of goose feathers. To write with a quill pen, dip its tip in ink and apply it to paper.